Well, I don't know if this camera phone is going to show the green buses up there that have all the firemen in it. Right in my backyard. Yay, fire dudes. Oh, there's a drop right there. Another helicopter dude. Nice job, helicopter dude. Oh, I see a little flare up. Just to the right of the telephone pole. I see a little patch of flame. And then that should be Seven Hills. It sure was a lot worse an hour ago. They got it all. Nice job.